Hey guys, hello and welcome back to another market vlog. This music will not allow me to talk, so I'm going to ask them to reduce it in order that I will be able to do this video successfully. Just hang on, guys. Okay guys, I'm in Lagos Island Market where you can get Turkey outfits for men. Yeah, right, I know, but ladies, come in here. You can get stocks for your hobby, for your brother, for your sons right here. So don't have to say no, this is for guys. I should go for guys. Guys need this stuff. Many men don't even know where to get their stuff right here in Lagos, and I'm here to show you exactly where. In today's video, you're gonna get the contact of the store, the address of this store, and you are also going to see the faces to the name. I mean, I'm going to give you all the T's in the T. Just come along, guys. Let's just check some of the prices. Can you please introduce yourself? Onyedikachi, right? You are the manager to this store, right? What kind of items do you sell here? Okay, so Turkey and US. Guys, did you hear that? Is that loud enough? So that means here in Lagos Island, you can actually call them, chat them on WhatsApp, place your order, and if you're not in Lagos State and you're wishing to shop from them, they can deliver to you. So this is the manager to the store, right? And I'm going to ask him questions about the stock. Now, your shirts, American shirts,
yes.
What prices?
Different prices. We sell retail.
I see. So for the wholesale prices is different.
Yes.
For the retail prices is different.
Okay.
Okay. For this Lego product,
Yes.
how do you sell for wholesale?
Depends. I'll give you normal price. The way you select.
So it depends on how people select.
Yes.
Do you have a specific price to your goods?
I have different prices.
For every good, right?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of brands do you sell here?
I sell Turkish brand, American brand.
Names?
Okay, like t-shirts,
Okay.
stock shirts,
Okay.
fine trousers,
All right.
up and down. Different ones, sweaters, jackets.
It means that you sell two-piece. That's what you call up and down, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So aside from these logos I've been seeing, guys, this is another logo. I hope you guys are with me. And this is another one. There are multiple logos here. There are different brands, but it depends on if you're buying in wholesale or in retail, especially for my wholesale viewers. Now you know that you don't have to go to China. You can actually get what you have to sell here. What about jeans? What kind of jeans do you sell?
I sell baggy jeans. I'm wearing
Indigo. Please go on. They want to know the brands.
Okay.
People want to know the brands.
All right, let me just show you.
Oh goodness, I love this. Sorry, can I see the?
Yes.
Can I see the?
Look at the front. This is what guys now normally wear.
Guys, right?
Yes.
This is amazing. Okay.
Different prices,
I see.
different color, different sizes.
I see. What's of that gray color?
This is indigo.
Okay.
What they call indigo.
It's even
Size.
yeah, it's even written on it.
Yes. Different prices. You can look at the name here.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So for wholesale for indigo, how much is it?
Different prices like indigo. We sell for 20,000.
For wholesale,
20,000.
okay. For retail,
25,000.
you know why? My viewers are in other states.
Okay.
Some of them are in African countries. Now, if they need something, they want to know if yours is cheaper for them to call you, because of course, wholesalers have different vendors. They want to go with the best prices.
This is the best.
Okay.
I can go for them.
For indigo.
Yes.
What other brand do you have?
I see about that brand like Turkey, the one we call Turkey jeans.
Turkey jeans.
Yes, like something like this.
How much do you sell for wholesale?
15,000.
15K.
Yes.
For retail? What about the retail?
The retail is 20,000.
Okay.
17,000.
Okay.
Depend how we talk and how we select.
Okay.
Right.
I see. What about your palms
Have different designs.
and your shoes?
So the palms is different prices.
Okay.
Likewise on this one. Different palms like this. Now different. Those sandals.
Give it to me like.
Different sizes.
Okay. So for this, if you're selling, how much do you sell?
For this, we sell for 35.
3.5.
Yes.
Okay. At least they can hear that. What about this?
We sell for 25.
25, 2.5. I think that's very fair. 25 is fair for this.
Give it to me like.
What about this half slippers?
35 also.
3.5.
Yes.
And this?
5.
2.5, 25. Look at this. This is a unique design. How much? 25. And you sell Crocs as well. I can see some Crocs here.
Of course.
How much is that Crocs?
Sell for 25.
Okay. What about this?
This one is 35.
3.5.
Face in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
Face in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
Face in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
Face in your face.
Now, so if you want to, they want to reach you. How do they get in touch? Contact number.
I have contact and I have cards.
Okay. This is card, but I need you to speak out your contact.
Okay.
Tell them your number.
Let me call the number.
Okay.
080 68 39 1462.
08068391462. Right. Thank you very much. And how do they get it? What's the name of this store? Judon Outfits. Judon Outfits. So how do you describe it? Floor what? Shop number what? Mandalas opposite Tantalizers, Broad Street, Lagos Island. Glad K Plaza, Broad Street, Mandalas. And it's number 128. 128. That's the head office. And you have multiple numbers here, which I'm going to put on the screen. So you can get your polo tops, your shirts, your chinos, your jeans, your shoes, your plain trousers, your two-piece. Guys, you don't want to miss it. Now that the rain is going out of season, guys, you don't want to miss it. You want to come to a place where you can get your stocks at very, very affordable prices. I'm going to come to an end of this vlog and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.